Hello YouTube, Tech is back with another great tutorial, and today's tutorial is about unable to contact your DHCP server error on your Windows computer, Windows 10, Windows 11 or other computers. You may face such kind of a DHCP server error. So to solve this problem on this video, we are going to see three solutions. So let's start from solution number one. So solution number one would be click your search icon here, then here type services. Here services, so open the services and find for DHCP client. So go to the bottom and you will find here DHCP client. Let's make it more wide here, DHCP client. So make sure the startup type is automatic. So right click on it, then select properties. Then after that, here startup type is automatic. In my case, in your case, if it is not, click here and select automatic. Then after that, click here apply and select here OK. Then after that, click here this arrow in order to restart the DHCP client. Click on it and select here yes, and it will restart your DHCP. Select here OK. So here make sure it's automatic. Then after that, close your service section and check whether the problem is solved or not. So if the DHCP server error is still occurring, the second solution will again click on the search icon and type here device manager. So here the device manager, then open the device manager. Then after that, you will find here network and adapter. So click here the arrow and you will find Wi-Fi adapter. In my case, there is no Wi-Fi adapter. So if you find Wi-Fi adapter in the list, right click on it, then select update driver and click search automatically for driver. And here the best driver for your device are already installed. So close this and check whether the problem is solved or not. So if the problem is still occurring, then the third solution is registering the DNS. So in order to do that, click on again the search icon here and type here cmd, and here the command prompt, then right click on it and select run as administrator and confirm by selecting here yes. And here the cmd opened, and here I have a command ipconfig /registerdns. Then copy this one. I'll put this command on the description box so you can get it there. Then paste it here and press enter. So Windows IP configuration is done and it's registering. So here the registration of the DNS resource record for all adapter of this computer has been initiated. So type here exit and press enter and restart your computer. So after the restart, check whether unable to connect your DHCP server error is solved or not. So these are the methods on solving your problem related with DHCP. And if you are happy with it, or if this video has helped you, please like, subscribe and share to your friends. Thank you for watching. Tech out.